Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your source for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming keyboards with the Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical wired gaming keyboard. If you're serious about gaming, you won't want to miss this one. Let's jump right in. Feast your eyes on the Corsair K100 RGB, a gaming keyboard that's designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. It's packed with features that cater to gamers' needs, and it doesn't hold back when it comes to style and performance. First things first, let's talk about build quality. The Corsair K100 RGB boasts a durable aluminum frame that not only looks sleek but can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. This keyboard is built to last, and it's evident in its construction. Now, let's dive into the visual spectacle that is the RGB lighting. The K100 RGB features dynamic per-key RGB backlighting, which means each key can be individually customized with millions of colors. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes a 44-zone three-sided light edge that surrounds the keyboard, creating an immersive lighting experience. Under the hood, the Corsair K100 RGB is powered by Corsair's Axon hyper-processing technology. This technology takes your gaming to new heights by delivering up to 4 times faster throughput. With native 4000Hz hyperpolling and 4000Hz key scanning, you'll experience lightning-fast responsiveness. And it does all this while simultaneously driving up to 20-layer lighting effects, adding another layer of immersion to your gaming. What's truly impressive is the programmable IQ control wheel. It's not just for show. It gives you command over backlighting, media jogging, and more through Corsair's IQ software. You can customize it to perform actions in games and applications, providing you with unmatched flexibility and control. Gamers, get ready for an in-game advantage with 6 dedicated macro keys. These keys are fully programmable for complex macros and key remaps using Corsair's IQ software. Plus, you can program special streaming commands through Elgato Stream Deck software for seamless streaming. And let's not forget about the key switches. The Corsair K100 RGB features exclusive Corsair OPX optical-mechanical key switches. These switches offer hyper-fast input with just a 1.0mm actuation distance and smooth linear travel, making them perfect for top-tier gaming performance. The Corsair K100 RGB also offers a multifunction IQ control wheel. This wheel allows you to take command over various functions with ease. Adjust your backlighting, control media playback, and more, all with a simple twist. There you have it, the Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical wired gaming keyboard. It's the pinnacle of Corsair's keyboard lineup, offering top-notch performance, style, durability, and customization that gamers crave. If you're looking to elevate your gaming setup, this keyboard should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth tech reviews and gaming insights. Hey there, have you tried the Corsair K100 RGB? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your gaming experiences with this beast of a keyboard. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, keep gaming and keep exploring the world of tech with UK Pro Reviewer.